Chuck's checking his hair because I stole his hat today, so. But good morning. We're packing up, about to leave. And in case anybody was wondering how humid it was this morning, I could not charge my phone because the phone jack thinks, well, there is water in it from humidity. So, yeah, quite humid this morning. We're headed 15 miles?
15.9.
16 miles to get picked up at, I think it's McAfee's Knob or McAfee. Please, someone correct me in the comments. I've said both and no one's corrected me either way. I've always thought it was McAfee. But, yeah, we're going to go into Roanoke for a proper zero, get cleaned up before our ride comes and gets us to go back to Damascus for trail days. So, lots of zeros ahead. Kind of happy about that though, because I'm having some hip pain, kind of similar to what I was having before we started. I don't know if it's like my IT band or like, I can't tell. Like it's the weirdest thing, but sounds like a couple of zeros won't do me any harm. So it is rainy. I'm in my rain jacket, but it stopped enough for us to pack up and not be drenched, so that's nice. It's a little chilly, a little foggy if you can see. Can never tell what the front-facing camera can get, and that's why I'm also like looking this way because it feels weird like looking that way at the top of the phone. That's why I don't like using the front-facing camera. I get distracted by myself on the screen. Yeah. All right, let's get going. Guess we just hit 700. That's exciting.
Yeah.
I knew it was coming today, but I didn't realize we were that close. 700.
Take two. I just thought I was shooting a video and didn't. Yeah, it's been raining on us for like the past hour and a half or so, maybe more. Kind of losing track of time because we haven't stopped for a break. But as you can see, the weather is not good. The views are even worse. And we're just pushing hard, trying to knock it out and get through it. This is what it looks like out there. Nasty.
That one route I called is my new favorite. Nope, this is.
Give me your pulse, man.
Give me your pulse. So we just did Dragon's Tooth in the rain. Oh, this is probably foggy. All right, so we just did Dragon's Tooth in the rain. which is, if you've done Dragon's Tooth before, you know, is less than ideal. And now we got a mile and a half to the parking lot where we will get picked up early. It was probably about the third or fourth time I almost fell on Dragon's Tooth, and I was like, you know what? Hey, see if the shuttle wants to come pick us up at this next crossing. So that's what we're gonna do. We're soaked. Yeah, see, my poles are picked up because that was a 4 points of contact kind of hike. So we got a mile and a half to that parking lot. We're gonna get picked up. We don't have a hotel. We're just gonna tell her to bring us to Roanoke somewhere downtown. I know there's an outfitter there I need to go to and get new shoes. So hopefully we can snag a hotel that's got laundry. We can defunk. Jack Brown's is calling my name. I want at least 2 burgers, fried Oreos, and maybe even a couple of beers. That make it crazy. Or Cabo fish taco. And maybe I can finally get that margarita I've been craving since we started this trail. Both Mexican restaurants we've gone to do not have liquor licenses. How's that even happen? So I've been having a hankering for a margarita. I might actually get one today. Whew, I'm a little cold. Because obviously there's no sun and my shirt is soaked. But happy because we're getting picked up early. Oh, how do you feel?
I'd say moist.
Yeah.
To quite moist.
Moist to quite moist.
But as always, anytime I know we're going into town,
excited?
I feel motivated, I feel excited, I feel
like I might need to get these poles back out.
to party. I'm just kidding.
He's quoting Bridesmaids.
Well, I mean, I haven't done that yet.
Today. If there's any movie we quote more than any other, it's 1000% Bridesmaids. At least once a day. Yeah, I might have to get my poles back out.
Zoom in.
Do I just go?
Oh, you can now, too.
Sorry, guys.
We're hiking here. That's like probably the third or fourth time that's happened since we've been on trail. It's cool to finally catch it on camera.
I can't make this up, but y'all, we got a shuttle and she was going to pull forward to turn around a little bit. And we're stuck. We are currently stuck and we cannot get out. Where are we?
We're home.
We're home. Ugh. I'll see if Jack Brown's will let us in here. We stank. Oh. Yes. Just tried the outfitter for some new shoes for me unsuccessfully, so we're going to the mask store. But first, some coffee.
Wait. We have way more of a story to tell.
Wait, no. Oh, I touched on that already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Not the fact that we got stuck at a trailhead. There's like a road crossing that pulled. Oh, that was it's been a day. It really has been a day. Then we went to Jack Brown's and smashed 2 burgers and I had a beer. And now we're having coffee. Our Airbnb has not given us instructions on how to check in. So hopefully they do that soon. I mean, we've stayed there before when we came to scope out Roanoke for, our potential home. We've stayed there before, so I kind of know how to get in and around, but we just need like the door code. So, but hopefully the mask store has my size of shoe. Y'all wish me luck. We made it to our Airbnb because I was not gonna pay. The Hampton Inn in downtown Roanoke was $275 a night for a Hampton Inn. I'm sorry, absolutely not. And this has washer dryer with detergent and is a whole unit, full unit. Like I said, we've stayed here before, and it's about to be dark. And it has a brewery attached to it. So, I mean, like, really, what else do you need? What is this? Closet. So yeah, we're gonna defunk, we're gonna shower, we're gonna do some laundry. Yeah. What?